Hey friends, I'm Q for hashtag ABC April Challenge. Here's my butterfly clip for junk journaling made with coffee filters and a paper clip. Let's make one. Here are some of the basic supplies that you will need to make these beautiful coffee filter butterflies. Here you're going to take your coffee filter, draw a heart. You can make a template if you don't feel comfortable drawing your own heart. And once you've done that, you're going to, of course, cut two hearts out, and you'll see next what we will do. And now you're going to use your eraser to remove the pencil marks if you'd like. You don't have to. You also could, if you want here, before you um, apply the next step, distress some of the edges, which is what I did earlier. And now I'm going to use my ISC stamp and with peeled paint, distress ink, I'm going to apply the stamp image on both of the hearts. And you want to make sure that you're mindful that it's your stamping is directional so that the image doesn't look kind of wonky. Now I'm going to use a little bit of embossing powder and look at the effect. It is so cool. Now I'm going to show you how the antenna will be affixed. And what I do is I cut about 2 inches of floss and we'll use a little bit of glue and we'll kind of twist it around a little bit, and you'll see next how easy it truly is to assemble. You want to add just a little bit of glue towards the end of the hearts and then face the right wing onto the left wing. You're going to pinch and then it's almost like a 3D effect, if you will. Okay? And now you're going to apply the antenna on either side. It's completely up to you. And I will add a little bit of glue. And then I'll grab the paper clip and I will show you how I put it together. It's super easy, you'll see. Here you'll want to make sure to press because it's important. Otherwise, the antenna will fall off. And now you want to grab your coffee filter and cut about 1/8 of an inch by a 1/2 inch, just that little piece. And you'll be surprised how sturdy it is. And it does hold the paper clip in the spot. Just be mindful of how you position the paper clip so that when you insert the clip into your journal or tag, it's the proper spacing. So you want to add this over and press a little harder. I didn't press that hard on this particular one, and it does fall off in just a second. So it's super important to be mindful of that. And then I clip the antenna. And one thing that I did, and here I'm going to add some embellishments. I love adding stamps to accent these types of project, and I did do that to this particular green butterfly afterwards. And I find that to give your project some pop and some dimension. And as we like to say out here in New England, it's a total show stopper. So check out how it looks once you add the embellishments, and it's just such a cool, as you see there, it does fall off, and then I just press a little harder so that it stays in its spot. And always cover the your glue because it will dry pretty quickly. But here is how it would look clipped into my journal page, which I will add afterwards. And now I want to show you the rest of the clips that I'm butterfly clips that I made in different colors. So let me know in the comments, how would you use these in your journal, and tag me. I'd love to see them. Thank you so much.